got another Dodge Ram TRX truck, 22,000 miles on it. This thing is immaculate. Just got traded in over the weekend. I mean, this thing is clean, well taken care of. It's on the website for $89,000. We had another Ram TRX truck last week and it sold right away. So I would imagine this one's going to disappear real fast too. It's got the nice 35-inch mud tires. The paint's been ceramic coated. I'll put a link to the ceramic coating that we use below. It's affordable. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to install. This was a local truck here in Cincinnati. It's got the external reservoir Bilstein shocks, which is the factory on the TRX trucks. If you have any questions, I'll put a link to the ad of the dealership below and the phone number if you're interested in calling and taking a look at the truck. We also ship vehicles all across the United States. But hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll post more other nice used vehicles for sale.